Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your League of Legends account. So if you're onto online gaming, this is a really wonderful platform to be in. So for this, today I'm going to show you what steps you need to follow. In order to create an account, first of all, what you need to do is head over to your web browser and then go to leagueoflegends.com. As you go to leagueoflegends.com, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. When you land on www.leagueoflegends.com, you can see that on the upper right hand side there are three horizontal lines. You have to now tap on the three horizontal lines where you will see an option that says sign in. Tap on the sign in button. After tapping on the sign in button, you will now be directed towards a page where you'll have to enter credentials to sign in. But since you haven't yet created an account, you have to tap on the end option that says create account. After you tap on create account, you'll now be directed towards another page where you'll have information required to be kept in order to sign up to the account. So the very first thing you have to do here is to enter your email address. So here I'm just going to enter my email address now. Make sure that you enter the correct email address. And then after entering your email address, simply tap on the start button. Then you'll have to enter your date of birth. So here I'm just going to choose the month of my birth and then the day of my birth and then also the year of my birth. After you're done choosing your date of birth, tap on the next button. And now you can choose your username and your password for your account. So here I'm just gonna type in a username that I want to set up for my League of Legends account. And now I can also set up a password. So here I'm just gonna type in a password for my account and then also retype the password in order to confirm the password. After doing this, tick mark the boxes in order to agree to the terms of services and then tap on next again. After tapping on the next button, you will now be directed towards a page that will let you know that in order to create your League of Legends account, you're already all set and you have to check your email for a link in order to download the game on your PC or your MacBook. So what you can simply do is you can go and check for yourself to your Gmail address and see if you've received any sort of email from either League of Legends or from Riot Games, since Riot Games is majorly responsible for handling the League of Legends gaming platform. So what you can do is check for your email. And here it looks like I've already received an email, so I'm just going to open it and see for myself that my account has already been created. So this is basically how you can create your account. Here you can see it says download the game. So now I can download the game on my PC easily. So this is how you create your account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, do share and subscribe to App Guide. Hit the bell notification so that you get reminded each time we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.